supposed to look something like this. Okay? Put the spoon in there. And we place it like this. In a restaurant, it's placed like this. Okay, and we serve the chicken on the rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a nice taste of this. Put some nice gravy on it so it's nice and thick. It's our chicken. Have this with a nice salad would be nice too. Taste it now. A little hot. I'm gonna go ahead and taste the chicken too. Hold on. This looks really nice. Blow on it so I don't get burned. This is wonderful. I love it. It took about 30 minutes to make. If it had bones, it would take an hour. And it's delicious.